How to hide your photos on iPhone and password protect your photos. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can actually hide your photos on iPhone, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to hide your photos on iPhone, it's actually very simple to do though. All you have to do is just go ahead and then launch the Photos app on your iPhone. Then select the photos that you actually want to hide from the bottom. Let's say tap on the select button. I'll select these two photos. Then all I need to do is just tap on the three dots from the bottom right hand side and then tap on the option called hide, which you see right over here, and then tap on hide these photos. Now basically we've hidden those photos. Do not worry, it's not been deleted. But if you want to find that photos again, you have to come to the albums tab, scroll down to the bottom, you'll find a section called hidden. All you have to do is just tap on the hidden tab and then go ahead and then unlock it, and then you'll be able to see all of the photos that are actually hidden. If you want to get it back, just select the photos you want to get it back, tap on the three dots, select the option called unhide again. Now other thing is, after you've actually hidden a specific photo, right, you don't want to see this hidden section here. You want to hide this hidden section as well. For that, all you have to do is open up settings, and then you need to look for the app called Photos again, and then over here you'll find the option called show hidden album. Just turn this off. Now even the hidden section will not be appeared at the bottom of the utilities section, so you can see the hidden section is not there, but if I want to show that, I can just turn this feature on as well. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.